What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Let's go. And we're off to a good start. Here we go. It says Gormia. Is that how you say it? Comment below if I said that wrong. Cordless electric kettle. Very nice design. Nice box. Be able to use it for coffee, some tea. Maybe you have some friends over. This will be able to heat up a lot of water. Get some oatmeal, instant soup, some cereal. Very nice. Let's take a look at the inside now. Let's unbox this thing. First thing we are seeing here is the literature. We don't need that. It says, "We're here to help." Yeah, I don't think we need help on setting up electric kettle. Don't need that. Throw that out. We don't need this box. Throw that out. Some styrofoam. Throw that out as well. And let's take off this plastic right here. Let's throw that out. Here we go. Very nice design here, guys. We have this stainless outside and kind of rubbery on the handle here. And very nice design on the base. You can wrap your cord around this bottom part right here. Very nice detail. This one's plasticky, somewhat cheap, but the durability comes with the electric kettle itself, because that's the one that will hold the water and that will be in and out of the base. Let's put this cord right into this hole. There we go. Very nice design, guys. And you just place it on top anywhere you want. It's pretty good. It's a power button, and this is the plus or minus. This will make your water hotter. And I believe that's the filter inside. So you just place it or install it inside, I believe. Let me just try to put this inside. Maybe not this way, but maybe this way. Okay, here we go. It just snaps right on there. This will filter some of the stuff that might go in with the water, so when you're trying to pour it to your cup, it won't have the little particles that you may have. That's a very nice detail that they have there. I'm glad they include this filter with it. And there we go, nice and easy. Just filters the water. Very nice design. They really care about the details here. Here we go. Now let's try this out. Here we go. Let's pour some water in this thing. Fill it up a little bit. We don't need that much water. Just enough so that you guys can see how fast it can heat up the water. It's about a quarter of the way. Let's plug this thing in. There we go. And then you just put it right on top. It makes a beeping sound. And then you want to turn it on. After you turn it on, it'll have a red light. And then if you want to adjust the temperature, you have to hit the minus and plus button. Yeah, they have different colors for the temperatures, so you know from far away which temperature you're in. But for today, we'll just try the lowest one, just green light. Let me just fast forward through this. And here we go. We got our water. Let's put it on our cup. Very nice. Now we have some Starbucks coffee here via Instant Columbia. I've had this coffee before. It tastes very good. Let's stir this coffee. Very nice, guys. That didn't take that long. It's about a few minutes and you have your water heated up already. And there we go, guys. Beautiful. Well, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment below what I could improve on in my future videos. Well, that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3.